Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy, I'm so excited to welcome you back again to my channel. So in this video, there is something that I want to share with you which is very important. So I want you to pay clear attention for what I'm about to say right now. There are some important things that you need to consider when starting up a forex trading career. Now, you should know that for you to become a successful forex trader, you need to learn the basics. You need to learn everything about forex trading. And so that is why in this video, I am going to be sharing with you the most important thing you need to know before you venture into the forex market. Don't come into the market to waste your money. Rather, you need to go out and gather information about the forex market. And one of the best places for you to get information is online. You can get it from YouTube, or you can buy books relating to forex trading and learn more about forex before investing your real money. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because some newbie forex trader hop into the business of trading without actually gaining some insight, knowledge about the forex market. So that is why this particular video is like an advice to you guys. Before you start your forex trading journey, the first thing you need to do is to acquire knowledge. Go and read about the basics of forex trading. It's very important. Try to know how the market works, how the forex market works, because this is a powerful financial industry whereby over trillions of dollars is being traded daily. So you are not coming into the market to come and dash the brokers your hard-earned money, right? You are coming into the money to make profit. You want to use the little money you have to gain more money, right? That is why you want to invest in forex trading, because there are other business that you can go into, but for the fact that you decided that you want to go into forex trading because you want to make money. So the first thing you need to know about the forex market is that it is not a get rich quick business. You need to gather enough knowledge. You need to gather more information about the forex market. You have to know everything about the fundamental, the technical, and also you need to know the type of market that you want to trade. You also need to know the type of trader that you want to be. So these are the things that you need to, teach yourself about, right? You come to YouTube, you gather more information about forex, then you go home and work on yourself. Now, if I'm about to start forex today, the first thing I will have to do is to go and search for knowledge, right? Now, the number one thing I will think about is what asset or what market should I trade? There are various markets. We have stock, we have forex, we have future, we have indices. So it is now left for you to pick the particular market that you want to trade, that you love. Now for me, I trade gold, which is under future. I trade gold. So what do I do now that I have agreed that I want to trade gold? Right? That is my best asset that I want to trade. The next thing I need to do is to go and master gold, to go and know everything about gold. Right? I'll have to look at the fundamentals and the technical, know how the gold moves, know what actually moves the gold market. Right? I will know when to place trade, like when to enter the trade, because we have the London section and we have the US section. So I'll know the particular one that works for me. So I've positioned myself that I want to trade gold. So I also need to know the time zone that is right for me to trade gold. You know that gold is a high volatile market. which I know very well. So I now know the kind of risk management that I want to employ in my gold. So once I have decided that I want to trade gold, the next thing that comes into my mind is research how the gold market moves. So I want to trade in the direction of the trend, because normally the gold market always moves in a trend. And what happened to the gold market, right? We know that during time of war, uncertainty, during time of crisis, the gold goes up while the US dollar comes down, right? And when the US dollar is doing well, when there's a lot of employment, people are doing well in the US, the gold does what? The gold drop and the US dollar goes up. So for the fact that I'm trading against the US dollar and the gold, these are the things I'm looking at. So that is why for you to start your forex trading journey, you must first and foremost know your edge, because you are coming to the market to gain profit and not to dash away your money to the brokers. So now I'm using gold as an example, because that is what I've been trading for the past 8 years. That is why I always use gold. So for you, you know what is best for you. You can either trade gold, you can either trade oil, you can also trade stocks, right? You can also trade other forex markets like the Euro USD. You can also trade the USD JPY. You can also trade the GBP USD, depending on the type of market that is pleasing to you. I wouldn't advise you to go and trade all the markets, because you become jack of all trade, master of none. You become confused. So that is why I always advise that you pick the pairs that you feel you are comfortable with. As a newbie forex trader, you should not trade more than one pair, because you need to understand that particular pair before you move into the next pair. Professional forex traders do not trade more than 3 pairs, because they want to be focused, they want to concentrate. Because if you gather 10 or 15 pairs and trade them, you become confused, because you don't know how the market moves. There is no way you can monitor all of them at once. So that is why you need to think about this thing before venturing into the forex trading, because the forex market has to do with your mindset. That is what matters in the forex market. So if you don't have the right mindset, you will keep losing money. So these are the reasons why some people, it takes them 5 years, 6 years, 7 years for them to be profitable in the forex market. Why some, it takes them 1 year, 6 months, even 4 months to become profitable in the forex market. So what is the cause? Preparation. You need to prepare yourself very well, both financially, psychologically, and otherwise, because you need to gather money to trade. Trade is money makes money. You use money to make money, right? It's not a business of you give information, you get money, because it's a business of finance, right? You have to deposit your account and then you trade with that money. So what you need to start forex trading is knowledge and money, right? But sometimes money is not the major thing. The major thing is knowledge, because right now there are several prop firms that are willing to give out money to traders, professional traders, to trade for them while they share the income, right? So money is not the main issue right now. The main issue is knowledge, right? So I would advise you guys to gather all the knowledge that you need, right? Go to YouTube and search for channels that teach forex very well and watch them. Also go online, research about forex trading, right? You can also buy some books, right, on best strategies on how to trade forex, and also money management, because money management still remains the number one in forex trading. So that is why it's very important that you know all these things before venturing into the forex market, right? I've been teaching you several strategies on how to profit from the forex market. I wouldn't expect you to trade all the strategies, right? You can pick one master it, right? And once that one resonates with you, you can go on with that.